Security researchers are starting to report on a brand new Trojan, this one being dubbed Jupyter, and it's only recently been discovered. While this Trojan has been active for the past 6 months, it's likely started sometime in May, and it has gone largely undetected or reported until now. Like a lot of malware, this Trojan hides itself as something else. In Jupyter's case, it hides as legitimate software. Once activated, the Trojan will launch real software. But behind the scenes, this Trojan leverages process hollowing techniques to inject into .NET processes and also uses malicious PowerShell commands. From there, the Trojan goes on to steal browser data, specifically targeting Chromium, Chrome, and Firefox and the data that they store. Now, what kind of data does a Trojan want from your browser? The Trojan steals credentials, such as usernames and passwords, cookies, certificates, and even autocomplete data. Now, there are likely many more Trojans like Jupyter currently in the wild that are not named and classified. However, Jupyter and information stealers like it follow similar patterns and behaviors. They mimic real software, use process hollowing techniques, and steal data. Because of this, even at the time of research being released regarding Jupyter, Acronis Cyber Protect already detected and stopped Jupyter. The advanced heuristic engine in Acronis Cyber Protect monitors behaviors behind the scenes and recognizes info stealers, then stops them before sensitive data can be stolen.